Do you want to increase your income? Are you dreaming of a financial breakthrough? Well, you're in the right place at the right time. Today, we're going to delve into the world of high-income skills. Skills that, once mastered, can significantly boost your earning potential. First on our list is sales and negotiation, a high-income skill that can be valuable in any industry. You can learn this skill for free on websites like Coursera and Udemy. They offer a wide range of courses that can equip you with the techniques to persuade, negotiate, and close deals effectively. Next is digital marketing. In this digital age, the ability to create compelling online content that drives traffic and sales is crucial. Websites like Google Digital Garage offer free courses on digital marketing, making it easy for you to learn at your own pace. Thirdly, financial literacy. Understanding money, how it works, how to manage it, and how to invest it is a high-income skill that can change your life. Websites like Khan Academy offer free financial literacy courses that can help you understand and make the most of your money. Next is programming. Coding is a high-income skill that's in high demand. Websites like Codecademy offer free coding tutorials on languages like Python, Java, and many more. Fifth on our list is project management. Being able to oversee and direct projects is a valuable skill in almost any industry. Websites like Allison offer free project management courses that can equip you with the knowledge to lead and manage successful projects. Lastly, we have entrepreneurship. Starting your own business is a high-income skill that can lead to financial independence. Websites like MIT OpenCourseWare offer free entrepreneurship courses that can give you the knowledge and confidence to start your own venture. So there you have it, 6 high-income skills you can learn for free. Remember, the key to mastering these skills is consistency and practice. So why wait? Start learning today and take your income to new heights. But before you go, do us a small favor. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. And if you want to stay updated with more content like this, don't forget to share this video and subscribe to our channel. Remember, knowledge is power. And with these high-income skills, you're well on your way to financial success. Until next time, keep learning, keep earning.